Resilient sound, Team 18.
Okay, the quads. Whoa.
Yeah,
What are these, like 5,000 RMS?
Uh-oh.
Or,
Yeah, I'm over that.
Uh-oh.
Is that only, are those 15s?
18s. Team 18.
That's a huge magnet.
Resilient sound, Team 18.
Okay, the quads. Whoa.
Yeah,
What are these, like 5,000 RMS?
Uh-oh.
Or,
Yeah, I'm over that.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, do we gotta stop?
Uh-oh. No. Resume. No, we do not have to go, but I need to get out and see what's up.
Alright.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I don't want to get anybody in
Oh,
trouble.
you're fine. Turn it back up.
so,
We got other people that answer for all that. Turn it back up.
so what's your name, man? And give me a rundown.
Oh, David Jarvis, Mr. T-Line on YouTube. 2 Team Resilient Sounds 18s in a quarter wave T-Line, tuned at 29, peaks at 33, plays as low as 24. On 20K and 105 Lithium, and a 370 Singer and a 320 CES.
Wow.
And the mids and highs are on a 1200 Taramps, and then the pillars are on an 800 Ford.
Okay.
You want to play it again?
No, have you metered it yet?
Yeah, in my driveway on my meter, we did a 155.6.
Wow.
So, and that was on music.
What was that frequency?
Well, that was this. It was actually this song.
It was on a song?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Yep,
So you're
it's
probably
music.
burped at 57s.
Yeah, that's what we're figuring. Yeah, we haven't burped it yet because they're not quite broke in.
Yes, sir.
So I'm still just playing. Yep.
Okay. Wow. Can I come in the front seat?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Woo! So what is that amp wired to? Your 20K?
One ohm. Yep.
1 ohm? Okay, so it's a 1 ohm and okay.
Yep.
Woo! How big is the box? Sorry. Do you know the
that's
specs of it?
Yeah, it's 286 inches of port.
Okay.
Because it's a quarter wave T-line, so
Yeah.
it's not actually in cubes. It's in length of the port.
Oh, length of the port.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep.
Got it. Wow. Yeah, I appreciate it. And your music's on clear too.
You want
Is
to
it,
see the alt?
yeah, I would love to see that alt in the back and all. How does your back not break?
What's that?
The back of the hatch, have you having issues with that yet? Or
No, it's got concrete in it.
oh, okay. Got it.
I can open that too.
Okay. So you concreted the back.
Yeah.
Ooh, you really optimized your space. Wow. Whoa. So there's a port, so it goes all the way down?
Yeah, it's like a bookshelf inside. Yeah.
Back, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is like a flat, where does it plateau on the inside the box?
Oh, about like right here. Yeah.
Okay.
About, yeah, and then it goes forward, backward, forward.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay. I never really understood how y'all did that. That's pretty cool.
Well, Gray Scott Designs, Cody Scott, he was the one that designed the box. We
Okay.
put it together. Yep. And I did all the bracing and finishing and painting on it.
Awesome.
Yeah. And I did 4 coats of fiberglass resin on the roof and 3 coats of truck bed lining. So, and then the brace bowl.
Yes, sir. Wow. Thank you for showing me, man. This is awesome. What was your name?
Dave.
Dave.
Jarvis,
Jacob.
Mr. T-Line.
Mr. T-Line. All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, I'll show it.
Yeah, I'll check out the alt too. I like to see it all.
Yeah, it's got 8 runs of 0 gauge.
Oop, sorry.
Got 4 power, 4 ground.
Okay. Nice. A Singer
Yes, sir.
and a CES.
I haven't gotten it over 140 degrees yet. It's not even
I
breaking.
was gonna say your alternator. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Sangria, nachos, lemon pits, my ass boat. You won't go down 'cause I think you're full. We
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.